Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How can I create an email address for my new directory? Let's have a look. Let's first of all go to the back end. We'll go to emails and we'll go to email accounts. We're just going to click on add edit email addresses. And then we can see here we're in the back end where the email accounts is. Now you have a default email address launched with the website when you get the website, but you can create an email address that your website can use. So we're going to put admin. So we're going to call it admin. We're going to create a password. And then we're going to click on create. And you'll see that our new email address has appeared here. And we can start using that email address straight away. We can go in and check our email. We can open up the provider. And there we go. We can see now we've got access to this email address here. So that is how you create an email address for your website. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.